Okay, lawn fans, so it's pouring rain. It is supposed to pour this entire weekend. This is, I don't know, Friday, we'll throw the 19th out there. We got back from vacation on Tuesday and I had some issues with the lawn. It looked like it was either insect, fungus, or drought. And I'm gonna walk down there in the rain for you guys in just a minute. But I treated for fungus and insects and I sprayed the lawn. Part of me is wanting to think chinch bugs, but I didn't spread the grass apart to look, see if they were down in there. I just went ahead and sprayed the lawn for insects and for fungus. But so now we're in recovery mode. I went to the Home Depot today and got 3 bags of sand. I put 1 bag of sand on the putting green, which I had to scalp back down because of how overgrown it got while I was on vacation. First generation Tacoma. But anyways, here we are right now. The putting green and her coming back. And then if you look out here, you'll see all the little dots where I've repaired some areas. As a matter of fact, I missed one right here. So take a look at that. But the sand will settle down in and it'll help the grass to fill back in quicker. And that's it. So we have some glorious rain coming down. And there's nothing else going on in the lawn right now. We're in recovery mode. But it's got a good color on it. Nice color. Beginning of August, I'll put out that 1648 one more time. And then September-ish sometime, I'll put out a heavy dose of nitrogen to carry me through. November, I'll put out a 10-10-10. Put her to bed. That's it. From me to Brian. Out.